To be full up. Être rassasié na hoe voky amin'ny teny gasy. I'm full up. Je suis rassasié. Ataonao négatif zay ny antony nametrahana ny to be eo ambony eo hoe affirmative, interrogatif sy ny négatif. Zany mba ahafahanao mampiasa avy hatrany. I'm full up. I'm staffed now. To be angry. Angry with somebody. Synonyme, to be mad at somebody. Tistre, na hoe être fâché. I'm angry with you. Je suis fâché contre toi. Na hoe, je suis furieux. Tistre aminao mihitsy zay io. I'm mad at you. I'm mad at you. De zadiny fa rehefa manao impératif ianao, zany hoe mampiasa impératif ianao, zany hoe don't be, ne sois pas. Don't be angry with me. Aza tisitra amina. Zany hoe miteny gasy zany hoe aza dia don't be. Fa ohatra hoe maniraka ny olo koa mba mitezery amina de hoe be angry with me. To be lazy. Lazy, être paresseux. Calm za zany. I'm lazy now. I'm lazy to eat. Tsy te hihinana. Lazy bones. Lazy bones zany fainéant, zany hoe avy de le caractère zany na toetra mihitsy hoe kamivavy na kamilahy. You are a lazy bones. I'm not a lazy bones. Number 4. To be crazy. To be crazy. Adala, na hoe fou. Yeah, être fou. Foolish. Foolish. Azadiny foana ny précision anao, mila manana anao zay fahazarana mandray le prononciation hoe crazy fa tsy hoe crazy. Crazy. Foolish. Adala dikan'izay. Are you foolish? Are you crazy? Êtes-vous fou? Est-ce que tu es fou? Adala ve anao e. De aza mba adala ohatr'ireny. Don't be foolish. Okay. Number 5. To be afraid of. Afraid of. To be scared of. Avoir peur. Avoir peur. Tena matahotra anao mihitsy am'le zavatra. I'm afraid of you. Don't be afraid of me. N'ayez pas peur. Aza matahotra zany. Number 6. To be miser. Miser. To be stingy. Être avare. Zany hoe kaidy na hoe kaietra. Matity. You're a miser, man. You're stingy. I'm not stingy. Tu es avare, toi. Ary anao ty kaidy be. Number 7. To be surprised. Surprised. To. Être surpris. Synonyme. Amazed. To. To be astonished. To. Astonished. To. Dikan'izay être surpris amin'ny teny gasy hoe gaga. Gaga zany mahitanao eto. I am surprised to see you here. I am amazed to see you. I am astonished to see you. Number 8. To be happy. Happy. To see somebody. Être heureux. Heureux de voir quelqu'un. Zany hoe faly mahita. I'm happy to see you. I'm pleased to see you. Number 9. To be tired. To be exhausted. Reraka. I'm exhausted now. Reraka be za zany. Être fatigué. Number 10. To be hungry. Nona. Avoir faim. To be hungry. I'm hungry now. I'm starving. Repeat. To be starving. To be greedy. To be greedy. Tendakanina zany hoe olona tia mihinana. You're greedy. Être gourmand. To be satisfied. To be fulfilled. Afapo. To be satisfied. I'm satisfied now. Afapo. Être satisfait. To be ashamed. Ashamed of somebody. To be embarrassed. Embarrassed. Menant. I am ashamed of you. Avoir honte. J'ai honte de toi. To be fed up with somebody. Fed up with somebody. Sick of somebody. Sick of somebody. Leu. I'm sick of you. Don't be sick of me. To be thirsty. To be thirsty. To be parched. Avoir soif. Non, oui, manguitaïta. Ah, t'es soutrano zany fa manguitaïta. Je vais boire de l'eau parce que j'ai soif. I'm thirsty. I want to drink water. 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 To be shy. To be coy. Être timide. Sarkinata. You're very shy. Don't be shy. To be cunning. To be cunning. To be sly. Fits. You're cunning. Don't be cunning with me. Aza mba fits ohatrin'io amiko a. That's all for the lesson 3. Enjoy it and don't forget to repeat it again and again. This is Renee and this is 20 minutes a day English. See you next time.